Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present the new tool panel for bubble deck detailing. So instead of typing various commands onto the command line or creating uh, spatial toolbar buttons, we have gone with a custom built toolbar button and how to bring it up, net load bubble deck, and then type in bubble deck. Then you have to log in and then type in bubble deck again, and you can see the toolbar here. This toolbar is 90% complete, and still there will be small changes coming in, but this is what it is. And if you can see here, they are all numbered. Layout commands, shop drawing preparation, bill of materials, dimensioning panels in view 2 and view 1. Then there is utilities and help. So if you have to look at some help, you have to go to help here, and then these are the URLs you can go and check there. Thank you for watching.